Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the different kind of image formed due to reflection of light from the mirror. Here in class 10 we discuss basically two types of mirror. One is plane mirror, second one is spherical mirror. In spherical mirror, further it is categorized into two types, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. So first of all, let us discuss about characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. So what are the characteristics of image? Number one, image will be virtual and erect. It is not real, it is virtual. Secondly, the size of image is equal to size of object. What will be the size of image? That is equal to size of object. Third point, the distance of object from mirror is equal to distance of image from mirror and image from behind the mirror, right? Last one point, the image formed is laterally inverted. What do you mean by laterally inverted? Mean right hand side become the left hand side and left hand side become right hand side in the mirror, right? So these are characteristics of image for plane mirror. Secondly, basically spherical mirror, that is a mirror whose shape is like a sphere, and you can say a small portion of sphere is taken as. There are two kind of spherical mirror. One is concave, another one is convex. Concave mirror is that in which reflection occur from the interior part of mirror, like you can see spoons curve from inner side that act like a concave mirror, right? And what is special characteristics of concave mirror? Here the size of image and nature of image depend on position of object, and you will see if object is at infinity, then parallel rays incident on the mirror and these rays converge at a point. That point is known as focus. So point size image, real image is formed at focus if object is at infinity. Second case, when object is beyond C. What is C? C is center of curvature. What is C? C is center of curvature. I told you that this concave mirror is a part of sphere. If we complete this sphere, the center of sphere is known as center of curvature, right? So center of curvature is a point on principal axis. What is principal axis? A line which is passing from pole to center of curvature. That line is known as principal axis. If any incident ray pass through center of curvature then strike to mirror, then after reflection it retrace its path, right? So when object is beyond center of curvature, then light rays will converge between focus and center of curvature. Whenever you will draw a ray diagram, you have to mainly draw two rays, one parallel ray which will pass through focus, another one a ray which is passing through center of curvature. It will retrace its path. So what you see, if object is beyond center of curvature, light rays actually converge at a point between focus and center of curvature. A real inverted and small image is formed. Real inverted and small image is formed, right? So here image size is small. If object is at center of curvature, you see, if object is at center of curvature, then again parallel ray will pass through focus and the four ray passing from focus will get parallel after reflection. So what you see, if object is at center of curvature, then image also will form at center of curvature, right? Size of image is equal to size of object. Real and inverted image is formed. Why we are saying real image? Because light rays are actually converging at this point after reflection. Now next point, if object is between focus and center of curvature, then light ray will converge beyond the center of curvature. The image formed is real, inverted, and size is bigger size, magnified size is obtained. So size of image is more than size of object. Next one case, if object is at focus, then light ray will appear to meet at infinity. So you can show image by making parallel lines. And last one case, when object is between pole and focus, you are seeing one line which is passing through center of curvature, another which is passing to pole, that reflect and they appear to diverge from a point A dash. You are able to see. So this is only one case in which actually light rays are not meeting, they are appearing to diverge from a point A dash. So this is only one case in which virtual, erect and magnified image is formed. Right? In all other 5 cases of concave mirror, real image is formed. So if someone asked you in examination that type of image in case of concave mirror, that depend on which factor? That is position of the object. Right? Now our next mirror is convex mirror. Convex mirror is that mirror from which reflection occur from exterior part. Right? So there are only 2 cases in case of convex mirror. Number 1, if object is at infinity, then light ray will appear to diverge from a point F. That point is focus. For case of convex mirror, image formed is point size but virtual image. In second case, if object is at finite distance, then where will image form? Image is again virtual, erect and small. Smaller in size. You can see in your daily life, a driver's mirror cover large area and image size is always small. And we talk about concave mirror. Basically, dentists use that mirror. In that case, object distance is taken between pole to focus and you are able to see that image formed is virtual, erect and magnified. In parlors and shaving mirror, we also use the concave mirror. Right? I hope now you are able to clear the types of image formed for plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. Thank you for watching me. Have a nice day.